to work on one of the chicken sheds, specifically the reclaimed wood one. There's all the materials, it's all old pallets. I still have some over there to cut up, but for right now I got enough to get started. So I'm going to start off with first is this is the entrance side. We need to make a doorway, and then we're going to wrap it with Tyvek and start siding it. Alright, not doing any work on that back there today. Gonna be tearing down this pallet, taking the wood that I have on top and the back of the truck off, and just generally getting a few things prepped for tomorrow. Or, not tomorrow, probably this weekend, if the weather's not too bad, to get the house finished up and ready for a roof. Alright, picking up where we left off yesterday. This is about as far as we got as far as the actual wood siding on there. Getting wrapped and door put in. Now I'm sure I'm going to get comments about the Tyvek wrap. It's not really meant for moisture. It's more of a draft barrier. It's just a house for chickens and ducks and peacocks or whatever I'm putting in here. As you can see, it comes down and overlaps. So it does provide some level of water protection, but that's not really at all what it's meant for. It's just for drafts. Because, as you can see if you get real close up on here, there are little gaps in the board. And while I do not mind that too much, I do want to cut down on drafts as much as possible. And that's the only reason the Tyvek's on there. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get going. Alright folks, that's a wrap for the exterior of this. Next up, we're going to shim out the sides all around a little bit to make an overhang for the roof. Make a door. And then do the inside.